Before you try the Pulsetto Fit, here are 5 simple tweaks that make the biggest difference. And no, this isn't just another Pulsetto review, this is a results-first guide. When I first used Pulsetto, I made a couple of mistakes that nearly killed the effect. Sloppy placement, wrong intensity, and inconsistent timing. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to dial it in, what you should feel, when to use it, and how to stack the app. That way, you'll get the most out of Pulsetto Fit starting tonight. So, a quick heads up, I've got a special deal on the Pulsetto Vagus Nerve Stimulator. My discount is in the description. Tap the link below or scan the QR code to claim the best deal. Now, just for some context, Pulsetto Fit is the upgraded version of the original Pulsetto. So, what's new in the Fit version? First, you get these magnetic soft padding so that you have 3 different sizes for a snug fit and steadier skin contact. Second, longer battery life, around 20% more, so roughly a week on a single charge. Third, an adjustable LED for a clearer status at a glance. And fourth, a smoother intensity ramp up, so sessions begin more gradually and feel more natural on your neck. So before you even start your first session, there are 5 simple things that can make your experience much better. Let's jump in. The starting tip is in the foundation, Fit Plus Gel. To begin with, pick the padding size that fits your neck so that both metal contacts sit flat and evenly on the skin. Going forward, before every session, add a pea-sized amount of this conductive gel on both sides of your inner neck and spread a thin film. That is what gets the microcurrent to pass through. Without the gel, the feel can be weak or patchy. Also, let the band rest naturally, snug-like, not tight, but with no gaps. Pulsetto uses transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation, or TVNS for short, so proper skin contact helps the signal reach the vagus nerve more consistently. Now for the next tip. The selection of the right relaxation program is key. If you're still wondering how to connect Pulsetto Fit, it's quick and simple. Pair once in the app via Bluetooth, and it auto-connects every time thereafter. Now, pick the program that matches your goal. The free app has 5 core modes. There's stress that helps in the mornings or midday to stay calm and focused. There's also sleep, which you should use before bed to unwind for deeper rest. Then there's burnout, most fit for being used after long, draining workdays. And anxiety to ease tension and steady your breathing. The 5th program is called Pain, mostly for post-workout support or after travel to relax your muscles. Now, Pulsetto Wellness app also has premium layers in guided meditations, breathing sessions, and self-care tasks if you want a more structured ritual. Because this is a vagus nerve Pulsetto device, matching the mode to the moment really matters. Different people respond differently, so you should not shy away from experimenting even just a little bit. If a session feels too energizing before bed, switch to sleep or just lower the intensity. Give each mode a few sessions as well, ideally a week, to see how your body responds. My personal routine: sleep most nights, if not every night, stress on busy mid-mornings, and burnout in the afternoon or for a mental reset at the end of the week. There's no single best mode, so use the one that fits your goal at the moment, and most importantly, use it with consistency. Now for a quick reminder. The best deal on Pulsetto Fit is in the description down below with a QR code on screen as well. If you're on the fence wondering, does Pulsetto really work? Try it for yourself. There's free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee that makes it risk-free. Now, back to the tips. So, Pulsetto Fit works best with regular use, not by cranking intensity or stacking back-to-back sessions. I want you to think habit over hustle. A typical session is roughly 4 to 10 minutes. Use it several times a week or even daily, depending on your routine. Results build gradually. Higher intensity or extra sessions won't speed up the results. The sweet spot is comfortable, repeatable use. The 20% longer battery life makes daily sessions easy, so it's simple to keep the streak going. For me, 10 minutes before bed became a ritual after the first week, and that's when I noticed I was falling asleep faster and easier. On high-stress days, I add a quick stress session at lunch or whenever I can sneak it in, but I still keep the intensity moderate. If you skip a day, do not overcompensate, just get back to your normal cadence. Moreover, anchor it to cues. Same place, same time, lights down, for example, and your body starts recognizing the routine. Like any practice that trains your body to relax, consistency is where Pulsetto really starts to make a difference. Where and how you use Pulsetto Fit Vagus Nerve Stimulator matters. A lot, actually. Set the scene so that your body links it with winding down. Aim for quiet, low stimulation moments. For example, before bed to unpack the day, a short midday break, or right after work to shift from stress to rest. Also, kill distractions. Switch on Do Not Disturb on your phone, park the phone away face down, and step away from bright screens or loud rooms. Low lighting helps as well. I use a warm lamp and soft ambient sounds. That combo makes the sensation feel smoother and my breathing settles much faster. If you like, add a tiny ritual to it. 2 slow nose breaths in, 4 out to cue relaxation, and keep it consistent. Same place, same time, most days. If you're traveling, recreate the vibe with earbuds and a dim bedside light. Over a week or two, that repetition turns Pulsetto into a mental signal. When the device is on, the body slows down. The last tip here concerns noticing slight differences when tracking your progress. Pulsetto Fit doesn't record data itself, but paying attention to how your body responds helps you see progress and stay consistent. The Pulsetto Wellness app doesn't track biometrics. I use my smart rings or my fitness bands to watch broad sleep and recovery trends over a few weeks, not night-to-night noise. If you already wear a device, do the same. Look for gentle shifts, time to fall asleep, wake-ups, sleep stages, morning readiness, and HRV, among other things, and note how regular Pulsetto sessions fit into your routine. A simple trick from my side, do a quick baseline week, then add Pulsetto 3 to 5 times weekly and compare. If your device allows tags or notes, mark Pulsetto night. I keep it simple. I check my ring or my band every couple of weeks. Nothing scientific, just are the numbers moving in the right way? Even if the graphs are flat, I can still feel it. When I'm consistent, I wind down faster, sleep deeper, and handle stress better. So, the main takeaway, don't just wear the Pulsetto Fit. Use it right. Fit plus gel, the right program, a steady routine, a calm environment, and simple progress checks. Start trying these tips starting tonight and watch the difference build over the next few weeks. Moreover, subscribe to Health News for science-based wellness and tech reviews, and explore our sleep, recovery, and longevity videos next.